You want an e-commerce website but don't have an idea what are the things required and how exactly you can get it done. I'll explaining you 3 components which you need for the development of your e-commerce website. I've divided this video into 3 parts. Number first, technology. Number second, branding. Number third, offer. So let's start with the first one, technology. This includes hosting, domain, and the platform which you'll be using for the development of the website. Hosting. It is basically a web server which allows you to store all the website files into it, and basically from which people can easily access your website throughout the world. You just have to connect your domain name with the website so that your website can be easily accessed across web browsers. Domain. It is basically name of the website which is connected to the server. As we enter the domain name of any website on the browser, it is connected to the server, and through which it allows us to just see the content of the website. Lastly, platform, aka website builder. Choosing a right web builder is as selecting the right foundation for your home. Everything is dependent on this one reason: the design, the functionality, the user experience, the maintenance, all the other factors is completely dependent upon which particular platform you're choosing. For the starters, I really suggest you to choose a platform which has a specific CMS so that you don't have to go multiple platforms for doing multiple functionalities. You can manage your complete website from one single web builder. Number second, branding is one of the most important aspect for a website, as it resonates the first impression of your website on visitor. It is further divided into 3 components: color, design, and media. First of all, color of the website. The color theme of the website should resonate your brand and convey the message to your visitors what your brand is about and what you want to achieve. With the help of the color, you can easily convey the emotions which you want to convey to your visitors, and helps you to build a strong branding. Secondly, design. Design of the website plays a very crucial component in grabbing people's attention and making them hooked into your website with multiple visually appealing components of a website. Plus, it should also complement the complete color theme of the website. Lastly, media. Use tons of videos and images throughout your website, because people don't want to read bunch of text and throughout the paragraph. They want a simple beautiful image so that they can easily understand. If you can also add videos into it, it would be very helpful for people to understand what you're trying to say and make your website look more beautiful. Number third, offer. It includes complete copy of the website, call to action, offer for your products and services. Firstly, copy of the website. It plays a major role for connecting your brand with visitors, because it helps them to convey the message what you are trying to say with the help of a website, so that they can easily understand, and you can tell about your brand, you can tell more about your services, you can basically convey them for purchasing any products and services from your website. And call to action. It is basically motivates the visitor for taking the next action into your website. Whenever you have visited any of the website, you must saw there are multiple buttons: know more, shop now, book now, call now, contact us. There are tons of different types of buttons, but the main role of these buttons is to motivate the visitors for taking the next step. If your visitors is landed on your e-commerce website and they saw a particular product, the next step for the visitor needs to be purchasing that product, where you can use the call to action of buy now in the form of button. You can place it in the particular product shop page, and with the help of that CTA button, you can easily motivate the customer to purchase your product. Number third, offer for your products and services. You have to craft your offer in such a way so that it needs to be compelling to your visitors, and motivates them for purchasing and for at least booking a call with you, so that they can easily understand. Let's say for the e-commerce circumstance, it needs to be some kind of sale, it needs to be some kind of percentage based offer which motivates them and triggers of emotion of FOMO inside them, so that they go and directly purchase your products. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and find all of these components as valuable as I do. So I would love to hear more from you, what you think about it, and if you have any recommendations for me, you can comment down below, and I would love to read more. And the next video, we are designing a gym website, so don't miss to watch it. Have a great day. Bye.